Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Saummya and today we will be moving forward to our third question in the Love Power 450 DSA question sheet, which is find the kth maximum and minimum element in an array. So let's see. So people, let's move forward to our third question. So we can see this is our question. I'll be selecting the language Python here and let's read the question carefully first. Given an array and an integer k where k is smaller than size of array, okay, and the task is to find the kth smallest element in the given array, and also it is given that all array elements are distinct. Okay, then let's see the example. Here n is the number of elements in the array. This is the given array and k is 3, which means we need to find the third smallest element in the array. So we can see if we sort this array, like we can just see from this example I'm writing here. If we sort this, what we will get? We'll be getting 3, then 4, then 7, after that 10, 15 and 20. Okay, so we can see k is equal to 3 and the third smallest element is this third element 7. Okay, so let's code for this. So people, the very first and the easiest way to code for this is to sort the array and print the third element from the beginning. Okay, this is the easiest way we can do here in this problem. So let's just proceed. We can just sort the array and print the, not print, here we will return array k minus 1. Why we are using this k minus 1? Because in Python we follow zero indexing, which means the index of the first element is 0. So the index of third element will be 2 when k is 3, that's why. Okay, so let's just try to compile and run. Okay, and submit. Yes. So this is done. So guys, this was our first method. Also we can proceed this using different methods. I'll be showing you one more method here. Like here we are doing is sorting the array and returning the k minus 1th element. One more way is using the set data structure. Okay, we can just comment these ones. Then we will be moving forward using set data structures. So as we know, in set, if we insert an array, means if we put all our array elements in a set, the elements will be sorted by default and we will get our solution. So let's just try doing this. Is equal to set of ARR. Okay, then what we can do is for in s, okay, means we are iterating through the set. If k is equal to 1, just give me 1 minute guys, I'll be explaining you why I am doing this step. We will return I and just break the loop, and if this is not the case, we will decrease the value by 1. Okay, why we did this? Let's just understand this through our second example. Okay, here the value of k is 4 and this is our array. Okay, if the array is means if we are taking this array into a set, what we will be getting is this set and all the values will be sorted by default. Okay, and the value of k is 4. When I iterate through this loop, first we will for I in S, which means first we'll be going to the very first element, which is 4. Okay, we will check if the value of k is 1. K is 4. Okay, so this condition is false and k will be decremented to 3. Okay, just change this. Okay, now moving forward, again we will be checking for this element, moving to second element and checking the value of k. Again k is 3, condition is false, k will decrease by 1. This is, now it is 2 and the element is 10. Okay, k is not equal to 1, condition false, and it will be decremented by 1. Now the value of k is 1 and element is 15. So when it will get checked, k is 1 and we will be returning I, which means 15 will be returned and 15 will be our answer. Okay, so let's just try to run this. It's running perfectly, and let's just submit. Why is it giving an error? So guys, let's just check the same code on our ID. I have written the same code here and took the same example. We are getting the error there. You can see this. This is the array. I have sorted the values, but also we can take the same thing also. Let's just take this and paste. Okay. Save and run. See, we are getting the output, that is the answer. See, here we are getting the same output, which shows the method is correct. I don't know why it is giving an error on Geeks for Geeks. I will get it checked and let you people know in the next video. So this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll be providing the link for this DSA sheet and today's solution in the description. And if you like my video, please like the video, share with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos.